Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about what the model order of a process model is. The purpose of identifying the model order of a process model is to determine which methods we can use to solve certain problems. Therefore, being able to identify a process model's order is very important. So, as we learned in previous videos, we have talked about two different spaces that our models can be described in. Firstly, we could have a model that is described in our typical state space model. If we described our model in this method, then the model order is the highest derivative in your equation. So, in this example here, you can see that the highest power in this model is 2. Therefore, this model in the state space is a second order model. Now, what if our process model is represented as a transfer function in the Laplace domain? Do we first need to convert it back to the time domain? Well, no, we can easily identify our process model's order in the Laplace domain by identifying the largest power of our complex variable s in the denominator of the model. Therefore, as you can see in this example here, this model is fourth order as the highest power of s in the denominator is 4. Just one thing to note, that in this model, we only identify the highest power after canceling common terms in the numerator and denominator. Now, identifying the model order may seem easy, and it is. However, it is very important that you begin to recognize the different orders of models. The purpose of this is once we begin to solve more difficult problems in this course, you'll see that the different model orders affects how we go about solving different problems. Thank you for checking out this video, and I hope it helped your understanding about how we check the model order of various process models. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe to support the channel. However, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns about the information I provided in this video, please leave a comment down below and I will do my best to address your concerns.